Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? Just a little kitty sighting from Pretty Kitty Capone. Say hi. Say hi. She's not having it. No, she's not. Oh, these goofy cats, they're climbing all over me today. In today's video, I want to talk about 200 items. Yes, 200 items. I have been brainstorming again, and you know what that happens. If you see smoke, you know that your girl Gypsy has been brainstorming once again. I'm gonna shut up now. Okay. Listen, 200 items to barter after a collapse. Okay. Now, you could take it, you can leave it, you could say, you're nuts. I'm going to say, maybe I am. I don't care. Just don't come for me or my cats, because Capone will have you. She'll kiss you to death. Anyway, okay, let's get started. So, get out your notebook and write this down. Do it. Okay. Number one on the list is alcohol. Drinking alcohol. Now, if you've got some amaretto, set that aside for me, because I like making amaretto cookies. I'm kidding. No, I'm not. Allergy meds, aloe. Even if it's an aloe plant. Actually, I think aloe plants would be better because they can keep growing. I think aloe plants would be better. Freedom seeds. Yay. Pew, pew. Foil, animal traps. Antacids, antibiotics, antihistamines, antiseptics, apple cider vinegar, aspirin and baby food, baby formula, baby wipes, baking soda and baking powder, and bandages and bandanas and bar soap, batteries, beans, belts, bike parts like bicycle parts, bleach, and borax buckets. Well, whether it's like mop buckets or even food grade buckets, like you can get the food grade buckets, like the cheaper ones that I get at Rural King for $1.99, and then the lids are $1.19. Okay. Bug spray, can opener, manual can openers, and a lot of this stuff that I'm telling you about, I would seriously just get like the cheapy stuff like at Dollar Tree, because this is for bartering. It's not, something that you're going to be keeping. So I would go cheapy, Candles and canned food, can shortening, canning jars and lids. Now, I know that's sensitive. Why did you even say it? You shouldn't have said it, because we should be keeping that for ourselves. I get it. But listen, if it really comes down to, I'm not going to even say it, oils and taxes, listen. And that's the only thing you've got, I would rather give away like a few jars and lids to save my family. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Chapstick, charcoal, chocolate. I know, chocolate. But like I said, Dollar Tree chocolate does not hold a light to Hershey's or Dove or Godiva. Cleaning supplies, clothespins and line. Coffee filters, Coleman fuel, combs, condiments, condoms. Shit, cooking oil and cornstarch, cotton balls, cough drops, crayons. Speaking of cough drops, you know that I'm very big on elderberry. Well, the brand Sambucol came out with elderberry cough drops. Walgreens. Yeah. So, it's a new product of theirs, so I went and I bought some. Okay, cups. I'm thinking disposable, Red Solo. Dental floss and diapers, dish soap, disposable gloves, disposable razors, dried soup mix, duct tape, feminine products, fire extinguisher. You can get the smaller fire extinguishers at Rural King for like $12, $12.99, $13.99, something like that. First aid kits. You can get first aid kits at Dollar Tree. Fishing gear, flashlights, flour, fly swatters, freeze dried food. That is on the like higher spectrum. But if you ration it out and put it in like smaller, like Mylar bags or whatever, that might work. But, it's up to you. I made this huge ass list, but it's totally up to you. You do you. But I'm just throwing these ideas out at you. Love you. Okay. I'm terrible. Garden seeds, drink mixes, gauze, glass repair kits, gloves, guns. I know we shouldn't, but listen. Glow sticks, hairbrush, hammers, hand warmer, hand sanitizer, hard candy, hatchet, honey. Even if they don't get the good organic honey, just go get the honey at Dollar Tree. Peroxide, ammonium AD, iodine, jelly, jerky, kerosene, Kleenex, knives, lamp oil, laundry soap, lighter fluid, lighters, lotion. Where am I? Magnifying glass, maps, masks, matches, measuring cups and spoons. Powdered milk, mouse traps, MREs. Now, I know those can be a little pricey too if you're buying them for your family, for your survival. But see, like, this is just totally up to you. You know what I mean? Like I said, this is just ideas that I'm throwing out, so don't come for me. Multivitamins and Mylar blankets, nail clippers, nails, nuts, bolts, nylon rope, off spray, OTCs, pantyhose, paper plates, paper towels, power cord, paraffin wax, pasta, peanut butter, pencil sharpeners, pens, pepper spray, pet food, plastic sheeting. Even if you don't want to get plastic sheeting, the shower curtains, the plastic shower curtains at Dollar Tree work just as well. Plasticware, playing cards, ponchos, popcorn, pots and pans, prescriptions, Q-tips, rat poison, razor blades, reading glasses, rechargeable batteries, rice, ropes, rubber bands, rubbing alcohol, safety pins, saline solution, salt, saws, saws, scissors, screwdrivers, screws, sea salt, sewing supplies. That could also be put in a first aid kit, sewing supplies. I mean, you should have proper sutures, but sewing supplies could also be, I don't have to explain. Okay. Shampoo and conditioner, sharpening stones for your knives, shaving cream, shoelaces, slingshots, socks, solar battery charger. That's something that we should keep for ourselves, but maybe there's like a cheaper alternative that we could keep for a bartering item. Spaghetti sauce, spices, sponges, spray bottles, sugar, sunblock, sorry, cat hair from when my cat was in here. My God, that's terrible. Super glue, survival books, syrup, tampons or sanitary napkins, tape, tarps, tea, thermometers, toilet paper, tools, toothbrushes and toothpaste, trash bags. You can get the trash bags at Dollar Tree and then keep like the good trash bags for yourself, like the construction trash bags and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Tuna, Tupperware. As for Tupperware, I would keep the good Tupperware for us, and then, like the butter containers, that's what I would use as a bartering item. If you keep your butter containers, because I keep my butter containers I would use those as a bartering item and not give my Tupperware away. Tweezers, twine, tobacco, underwear, new underwear, because you don't, yeah, it's gross. Utensils, Vaseline, vinegar, watches, water bottle, water filtration, filters, not filtration, purification tablets, wax paper, WD-40, wicks, wine, yeast, zip ties, and zip locks. If there's anything that I missed, please, by all means, leave it in the comment section. And that's all for this video. I love you. I will see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay positive, and God bless. Bye.